Hi everyone, thank you for watching DreamSpree Studio Yoga. My name's Shannon. Chappy is here with me, but I don't think you can see him. I'm sure he'll walk into the frame. Today I'm going to take you through a chair yoga session that's great for seniors, beginners, anyone who would like to get a little yoga in. If you've subscribed to my channel, thank you. I appreciate you. And if you like yoga videos, please consider subscribing to my channel and like this video. I put out new material every week, and you can check out the website at DreamSpreeStudio.com. Let's go ahead and get settled in. You need a nice sturdy chair. I'm going to scoot back a little bit. Make sure you're sitting up straight. Just bring the hands down to the knees and close your eyes. Begin to focus in on your breathing, your inhales and exhales. And do a quick scan of your body. Just check in, see how it feels today. Do a quick scan of your emotions without any judgment at all. Just check into yourself, see how you're doing today. And just continue to breathe. If you'd like to set an intention for your practice, now's a good time. Maybe something positive that you can bring your mind back to if it starts to wander, and something you bring forward into the rest of your day. On your next inhale, go ahead and float your eyes open. And we'll reach out to the sides. Inhale, arms out in a T, and exhale. Let it go. Inhale the arms up overhead, reaching up, and exhale, drawing the shoulder blades down as you cactus the arms out to the sides. Inhale back up, and exhale down. Now on your next inhale, reach over with the right hand to the left side. And exhale back to center. Inhale over to the right side. Exhale down. Let's just keep flowing like this. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Let's do two more. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Good job. Now let's take the arms out to the sides in a T. Inhale and exhale. Rotate over towards the left side. Look behind you if you can. Inhale back to center and exhale over to the right side. Just going to keep flowing like this. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Let's take one more round to each side. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, center. Exhale. Now come back to center. And exhale the arms down to the sides. Make sure you just roll the shoulders back, sit up tall. Inhale the arms back up overhead. Exhale down into cactus. Now inhale the arms forward. Slip the right arm underneath the left. Kind of circle them around. If you can catch the hands, do that. If you can't, just hold like this. And then exhale forward. You can lift the elbows up a little. You're just breathing space in between those shoulder blades. Now let's unwind, shake it all out, and drop it back down to the sides. Let's do it again to the other side. Inhale up, overhead, exhale down, arms into a cactus. Inhale forward. Now slip the left arm underneath the right, wrap it around, and press forward to stretch your shoulders. Continue to breathe. On your next inhale, unwrap, shake everything out, and drop the arms down to the sides. Good job. Now inhale up tall overhead. Exhale, bring the hands down to heart center in prayer. Let's close our eyes for one moment. And on an inhale, think let. On the exhale, think go. Just letting it all go. Anything that's bothering you, that's on your mind, it's not serving you anymore. Let's just try to get rid of it. So on an inhale, think let. And on the exhale, think go. Let it go. Now bring the arms down to the sides, and we're just going to come all the way down in a forward fold. You're bringing the chest down towards the knees. You can leave the hands to the sides of your chair, or you can slip your arms underneath your knees and hold each elbow. Otherwise, just stay right here with the hands on the sides of the chair. You're letting gravity help you stretch out that low back. Let's take one more breath here. And on your next inhale, rise all the way back up. Exhale. Inhale the arms up overhead, and exhale, bring them back to heart center in prayer. Reach the hands down to the sides of your chair. Lift the right leg up in front of you. Flex the foot and hold it. Just breathe. If this is too much or you begin to get fatigued here, you can always just prop the foot down on the ground in front of you. And now let's go ahead and take the leg out to the side a little bit. Hold it and drop the foot down. Now we're going to scoot over onto the right butt cheek. Scoot the left foot out. Come into a lunge stance. You want to straighten the left leg out as much as you can, but if you can't straighten it out very much, just leave it bent. Now that we're here, again, inhale the arms up overhead high. Exhale down, bring them to prayer. Now bring the left hand to the hip. Bring the right hand in front of you. And just try to rotate towards the right side. Just go as far as you can go, bringing the hand out to the side. Maybe taking it to the back. Maybe just taking it right behind the chair. Take a breath here. And on your next inhale, bring it back forward and reach behind you with the left arm, coming into Warrior Two. Nice strong position here. Gazing out over the fingertips, reaching forward. Let's take one more breath. And now flip the right hand over. Bring the left hand down the back of the left leg and reach back in Peaceful Warrior. Gazing up underneath the hand. On your next inhale, come back up through center into Warrior Two. And now bring everything back to center. Hands down to the sides. Hi, Chappy. I knew he'd say hello. Inhale up tall, hands overhead. Exhale down, hands through heart center. Forward fold. So just bring your hands to the sides of the chair. And scoot and bring the head down towards your knees or towards your dog, whatever. Just breathe here. Inhale back up through center. Now we'll do the other side. So on an inhale, bring the left foot up in front of you and just hold it. Continue to breathe. Again, if this gets to be too much, just bring the foot down and prop it on the floor or the ground. And now bring the foot to the side and bring it down. We're going to shift over onto the left butt cheek into your lunge. So again, reaching behind with the right leg. If that's too much, just keep it bent. And reach up tall overhead with both arms. Inhale. Exhale, bring them down to heart center in prayer. Bring the right hand to your hip. Bring the left arm in front of you like this. Inhale, bring it to the side. You're just rotating gently. And if you can, maybe rotate back a little bit more. If that's too much, just reach straight to the side, gazing out over that left hand. On your next inhale, bring it back to the front. Extend the right arm behind you, gazing out over the left hand into Warrior Two. And just breathe here. You're gathering strength with every breath. On your next inhale, flip the left hand over, reach down the right leg behind you, and come back into Peaceful Warrior. Gazing up underneath the hand. On your next inhale, come back up into Warrior Two. Now bring everything back to center. Bring the arms down to the sides. Inhale up tall, arms overhead. Come through center in prayer and down to forward fold. Bringing the forehead down to the knees. Take a few breaths here. Maybe bring your mind back to the intention that you set for your practice. On your next inhale, come back up to seated. Now let's pick up the right foot. Bring the right leg over to prop over the left knee. Reach with the left hand to the right knee and reach with the right arm behind you in the chair for a nice easy twist. Trying to gaze out over that right shoulder. If that's too much, you can always just gaze in front of you. Wherever you are is exactly where you need to be. On your next inhale, come back to center, uncross the legs. Now we're going to cross the left leg over the right. Reach over with the right hand to the left knee and reach behind the chair with the left arm, gazing over the shoulder, or if that's too much, just gaze right in front of you. And just keep breathing. On your next inhale, bring everything back to center. Uncross your legs. Now we're going to scoot back just a little bit in the chair. Bring the right leg to the side. Bring the left leg to the side, kind of like a squat position. And bring both hands to the knees. Bend forward just a little bit. Inhale and exhale. Roll the left shoulder down. Gaze out towards the right shoulder. Nice twist. Inhale back to center and exhale. Drop the right shoulder down, gazing out over the left shoulder. Inhale back to center and just bring the knees back together and just walk them in. Now we're going to scoot back in our chair. Get ready for our resting pose. And now that you're here, try to tighten up everything really tight, 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 tight. Clench your fists, clench your face, clench your feet, everything tight, tight, tight. And let it go. Just let it all go. Release into Shavasana. Take a big breath here, big inhale. Open your mouth, exhale it all out. With your eyes closed, think of a place that's very peaceful for you. A place that brings you great joy. And see if you can't picture yourself there right now. Feel yourself relax from the top of your head, all across your shoulders, across your stomach, across your hips, knees, all the way down to your feet. Just feel yourself relax. Now, if you would like to pause this video, you can stay in Shavasana for as long as you'd like. Otherwise, let's begin to make some small movements with the fingers and toes, maybe some rotations with the ankles and wrists. Reach out long overhead, big stretch, and exhale, bring the arms back down. Continuing with your eyes closed, let's do a quick scan of the body. See how it feels differently than when you began. Thank yourself for coming today and taking a little time for yourself to do something good for you. You can bring your hands to heart center in prayer and open your eyes. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Thank you so much for practicing with me and Chappy today and doing a little yoga. If you have any questions about the yoga videos or you need any modifications, just drop me a comment and let me know. I love to hear from you guys. Until next time, may you be happy, may you be safe, and may you be healthy. Namaste. I'll see you next time.